You're about to watch body camera footage of two uses of force that were deemed to be excessive by the Whitehall Police Department. They are from different incidents with different officers, but each use of force was on the passenger of a stolen car. One of these officers was given a written reprimand. The other was given a 3-day suspension. Watch the videos and tell me, which officer do you think was suspended?
We're going right in. He's 301.
Open the door. Open the fucking door! Get the fuck out here! Get on the ground! Now I'm all fucking cut up! Bullshit! Run! Run! Fucking asshole, man! Put your hands behind your back! Damn it. Oh, fuck. God damn it, man.
Stretch your feet. Separate your feet.
Shit, I'm just saying, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, you shouldn't have done anything wrong.
I didn't do it.
Okay. Oh, you did.
I did.
And you're under arrest. And you'll enjoy the county jail for the night.
So I didn't do that.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it.
I didn't.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Stop moving your hands.
Stop being aggressive with me.
No.
I'm gonna disappear. Stop pushing me on my stomach. I'm pregnant.
Just relax.
Because
Well, you shouldn't be running.
Nothing. I can't run.
Okay.
What are you
Well,
talking about?
quit being ignorant. How about that?
You gotta stop.
Does that work?
This is somebody do shit.
Okay. Well, like I said.
If you think it was the male officer who was suspended, you're wrong. It was actually the female officer who, quote, violently jerked on the handcuffs of a pregnant woman and also used foul language. You might be thinking, well, the male officer was just involved in an intense situation prior to the use of force. Maybe that's why he was given a pass. So, for full disclosure, here is what each officer was experiencing immediately prior to their uses of force.
Get out! Put the window! Hey! Don't fucking move! Don't move!
One's running. Pink's running.
Stop, man!
Taser, taser!
No! Man! Stop! No! Get on the ground! God damn!
Push back! Push back!
God damn it! Ah!
They're running from me. They're running.
So why was the female officer treated so harshly when the male officer was not? It's because Chief Lord Farquaad Crispin and his bootlickers don't treat everyone on the Whitehall Police Department equally. They held a grudge against Brooke Cano because of her role with the FOP. They were looking for a reason to fire her. This is what happens when a department is riddled with corruption.